Let me show you how you guys can use ChatGPT for content creation. Once you open ChatGPT, basically you can just start using it for content creation. Like over here and ask ChatGPT, let's say you're trying to create a video. You can just say, hey, I have a channel on. Now my channel is in football, so I'm going to write that. But in your case, you need to write whichever channel niche you are under. It could be tech or anything. I have a channel for on football. Give me some idea. And like this, I can ask for ideas and it's going to surf the internet and give me ideas. So the 7 levels of football skill, I like it. So let's say I want to go with this idea. Now what I can do is highlight this up, this idea. Now if you already have the idea, you don't have to even do this. And once you highlight the idea, what you can do is just copy the idea title which you like and paste it over here. Once you enter the idea, write for this idea, write me a short script. And just like this, it's going to write you a script. And just like this, you can just come up with ideas, make it write script, and perfect the script yourself, read the script and try to perfect it. And like this, it can help you on content creation. That's how you guys can use ChatGPT for content creation. It can also make thumbnails as well. So yeah, that's a plus point. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.